same frame, I think. So the last thing I wanted to share are these rails. So I took one screw out already, and there's a top screw, but these are what you have to match up with your shelf. So, and for me, you can kind of see the, oops, I grabbed the wrong one. There we go. This one will work better. So you can kind of see how the shelf wants to clip on to the section, so you have to get the depth right. And for us, the depth, you can see there's 3 of these sections, and so we used, oh, can't see, yeah, these 3 slits and openings. We used the 2, I don't know, you're gonna have to eyeball it a little bit and get it right, but or just look at this video and try to match it. Okay. So we're gonna take that out, but I'm gonna take